Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make Morulla fish, Morulla macher chachori. This fish has so many health benefits, nutrients, protein and vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly important for your body, heart and brain. Also very good for eye health. This fish is very good for children also. Usually we Bengali people love this fish. English name of this fish is carplet. Keep watching this recipe step by step till end. We make this fish many different ways. Today I am making one of them. I hope you will like this recipe. Here I have 500 grams Morulla fish. They are already cleaned. I just washed them. Mustard oil, some finely chopped coriander leaves, thinly sliced 1 medium sized onion, thinly sliced 1 medium sized tomato, 1 dry red chili and 1 tablespoon pachforon. You can use cumin seeds or nigella seeds, but I love pachforon's flavor. 1 tablespoon cumin powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 slitted green chilies, 1 tablespoon grated garlic and 2 tablespoon grated ginger. Let's start. First I will marinate the fish with little bit salt. And turmeric. Rest them for 10 minutes. Pan is hot. Some mustard oil. I will fry the fish in 2 batches on medium heat. Ready. Do not fry long time. This fish is very soft. Fish fry is ready. Remove this. I'll add some more oil. Now I will add red chili and pachforon. I'm adding onion. I will fry the onion until it's not getting golden. Now I will add grated garlic and grated ginger and turmeric powder. I added half tablespoon turmeric powder because I marinated the fish with turmeric. Now I will add tomato, slitted green chili, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt to taste. Also I marinated the fish with salt. I will add some water to saute the masala. Keep sauteing until the oil separates. Do not need to cover it. It will take to saute at least 3 to 4 minutes. Oil is separating. Now I will add the fried fishes. I will keep stirring for 4 more minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. Now I will add some water. Not too much, because it should be dry. We will add some coriander leaves. I do not need to mix the coriander leaves into the gravy now. Just cover it for 10 minutes on medium heat. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check. I covered it for 10 minutes, but I just checked after 5 minutes. Just press the green chili. Morulla fish is ready. Switch off the flame. Let's serve it. Serve it with steamed rice. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.